Hey guys, what is up? I am at HomeSense and I haven't filmed a shop with me at HomeSense yet. If you guys live in the US, HomeSense is essentially like home goods. You guys seem to like this last one, so let's do it again. Easter decor is probably, you think I would really be into it, but it's like the only decor that I really am never just into it. I mean, this is a really cute little wreath. I don't know, I just would never buy Easter decor. So the first thing I see that I like is this like plant basket. So it has the lining on the inside so it won't get wet. And it also has yellow detailing here. I'm looking for a side table. So I wonder, it would work, but I just think this looks a little cheesy. And look, they have a bigger one. A very similar kind of one. Just is broken. This is really cute too, but definitely not my color theme. They've got a couple of these like really neat, and there's also this one. I don't know, what do you, I mean a succulent maybe? If I'm being honest, I'm not totally in love with that pink color anymore. I kind of more so like the peachy pink. I mean, it's not that big of a difference, but I don't know, to me it is. I'm kind of leaning more towards like yellow, oranges. So I'm gonna insert a shot of this little ledge that I have that I want to redesign, and it's in my hallway. And I'm looking for something that will sit on the edge of it that's really cute. And I saw this, $14.99. It's definitely an option. I don't know if I'm crazy about the stones. I feel like that makes it look really fake. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't settle, but this is kind of like the size of the thing that I'm looking for. They have this little teepee birdhouse. I really love this plant hanger. My friend Melissa has one, but I would love this if it were like beige, but I love that you can just sit any size plant in it, and they're really easy to take out. This is like a little wicker vase, however you want to say it. I like this. Don't need it, but like it. And then they have actually a ton of macrame hangers, and two of them are like in marble little pots. So if you guys are looking for some, HomeSense. So clearly I probably don't need anything like this because they're for patios and you can put candles in them, but this is totally my style. I hate those handles. I really don't like them. They don't look good on that. But they also have these trays which have these little flowers. It'd be good if I pointed it in the middle. Those are cute. Something really strange that I've been looking for, or I am looking for now, is like some straw for this vase that I have. I have palm leaves in it right now, but I don't know if that's the look I'm going for. Why am I so drawn towards vases lately? Those are nice. I really like this one too, and then these are nice too. I don't know, what's up? I like this, but I really despise like the fake wood look, but I like it. Question of the day, what is your decor style? Because I know what mine is, probably like mid-century, modern, bohemian, but what is yours? I don't know if you guys can see this glass, but it reflects this like marbleized color. It's so pretty. Again, vases, what is my deal? I don't have a cat, nor do I have a dog that would fit in this, but if I did. So as I explained to you guys before, I'm looking for something for that front hallway. And then I also am looking for like a little side table. I don't want it to be a side table, I want it to be like a basket or something really small. Like something small enough that you could just fit like a plate on it. I don't need it to be abnormally big. A couple things I found that I like. This candle, it actually comes out, if I can show you. So it's like this candle stand, but it's $19.99 and the candle does not smell good. So I'm kind of like, it doesn't smell good. It's $19.99. What are you doing? And then I really like this basket on sale for 15 bucks. And then they also have this one, which would be really cute to put a little plant in. $12.99. The dogs could really use one more dog bed. I think I bought this one before because it's falling apart, but I find that like this one's not big enough for Oaks. I find it's hard to find one that's like overly ginormous. Hey, so typically I don't like these sections, like I don't even bother to look in these, but this is actually really nice and it's in a nice frame. Interesting. We are in my hometown right now. There are 2 HomeSenses. This is the bigger of the 2. I was thinking, I didn't know if we would have to go to more than one, but this one's pretty good so far. This is a really nice mirror. I like this, but over here I saw this. I thought it was a stand-up mirror, but turns out it's like a shelf. So I think you mount it on the wall. Yeah. 30 bucks though. A tidbit of info about me, I hate mirrored furniture. When I first came in here, I thought these were wicker. They're not. They're just regular wood, but they're still really cool. I love these poofs. I already have one of these ones. Like I have a bit smaller one, but this one's like real sturdy. Oh my god. This sofa is so nice. My dogs would ruin that, but it is, oh my gosh, so nice. Even the legs, yes. I feel like HomeSense never has good small rugs, or not even small, like mid-size, like 5x7. At least like not in good colors. I feel like I have to go to Urban Outfitters for that. Love this bench though. Don't need a bench. There's a lot of things I don't need. At least not right now. I don't like this one, but something I need for sure is a mirror that like flips like this, because I have a wide one, but it keeps breaking. So, all done. You remember how I told you that this is like the bigger HomeSense in my city? Well, there's another HomeSense that's smaller in a mall, but usually has like the prime stuff. So we're gonna go there too. Might as well do 2 in one day. I feel like that's a good amount for a video. Had to come back on. It's so funny, there's like so many spots like in the house that I really want to decorate, but I'm just like not ready to tackle. Like I want to redo my whole office, and I promise I will film a video on that. But it's just like I'm not ready, so I'm not actually like buying for that, and I feel like I'm really buying for my room because I'm so desperately trying to get the room tour done and up for you guys. And there's like 2 more things that I need. Something for the hallway and a little something for my bed. And then as I'm like changing, I'm like, my style is changing too. It's evolving. Like right now I'm kind of very like wood, pink, plants, Urban Outfitters type style. And I'm kind of like slipping to more so this like 70s chilled out vibe. Like I love the yellows and the mustards and the oranges and the creams and the beiges. And I'm slipping away from pink, which is fine. I don't think I have that much pink stuff, to be honest. But I'm thinking of painting that wall in my room more of like a peach. I find home decor shopping is a bit hard right now because I'm in this like really weird in-between spot, but I am so excited to do my office. Like I really want to get started on that ASAP. I'm gonna talk to Jordan about it. Maybe we can put in a little work this weekend. I don't know. So anyways, let's go to the other HomeSense and see what they got. Why do I love wicker so much? This one especially. I won't bore you with everything in this one just because I don't want to bore you, but I will show you like all the stuff that I kind of really like. Every time I see this guy, I'm like, I love you, but I never get him. These are really cool. I can't tell if they're nautical or if they're like vintagey, but love this. This lamp is really cute and he's only 60 bucks. I adore this table. It's $129, but I love this. Oh, that's so beautiful. They also have these guys, little stools. The most boho chic cat bed I've ever seen. Look at this. They got their own fur mat. This is like living. Y'all, this chaise is literally the size of a bed. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am all done. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. You know what? I'm not gonna show you what I got just because I'm trying to like accumulate a bunch of home decor stuff so that I can do a home decor haul for you guys. If you are in need of more home decorness and you haven't watched my IKEA haul, go watch that. Even if you're not like into IKEA, which I'm not into IKEA, IKEA has some new pretty bomb amazing stuff, so I would highly suggest that you go watch that. Love doing these shop with me videos. It's kind of fun. It's like, typically I go home decor shopping by myself, so it's kind of like I'm bringing a friend along. That's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.